Luxury cars usually come with high prices and endless repairs, but not these ones. Today, we're looking at 8 affordable luxury cars that can easily last a decade without breaking the bank. Let's dive right in. 2018 Acura TLX V6. This sedan is one of the best-kept secrets in the luxury market. The 2018 TLX blends Honda's bulletproof reliability with Acura's premium features, making it a car you can count on for a full decade or more. Under the hood, it carries a 3.5-liter V6 engine that produces 290 horsepower. This motor is smooth, responsive, and most importantly, proven to last. Owners regularly drive these cars well past 200,000 miles with nothing more than routine maintenance, which is exactly why it's such a smart buy for anyone wanting a luxury car without constant repair bills. Inside, the TLX feels upscale without being overly complicated. The seats are supportive, the cabin is quiet, and the layout is straightforward. No confusing tech that's bound to fail. It also comes with advanced safety features like lane keeping assist and adaptive cruise control, which add extra peace of mind on long drives. Another major plus is affordability. Because Acura doesn't have the same flashy image as BMW or Mercedes, the TLX is often overlooked on the used market. That means you can pick one up for a fraction of the price of its European rivals, while enjoying a car that's every bit as comfortable and often far more reliable. The 2018 Acura TLX V6 is the definition of an affordable luxury car that will easily last a decade. And that's what makes it one of the smartest choices you can make. 2017 Infiniti Q60 Red Sport 400. This coupe proves that affordable luxury doesn't have to be boring. The 2017 Infiniti Q60 Red Sport 400 delivers stunning looks, real performance, and long-term durability that makes it a great choice for anyone who wants excitement without the headaches. At its core is a 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, producing 400 horsepower. It's powerful enough to rival European sports coupes, yet surprisingly reliable when properly maintained. Many owners report these engines holding strong well past 150,000 miles, and the robust transmission makes it a solid long-term buy. Beyond performance, the Q60 Red Sport is one of the most stylish cars in its class. The sleek, low-slung design still turns heads years later, and the interior backs it up with leather seating, premium materials, and a driver-focused cockpit. It feels upscale, but without the overly complicated electronics that tend to fail in some competitors. On the road, the Q60 balances sharp handling with comfort. It's sporty when you want it to be, yet quiet and smooth enough for everyday driving. And because Infiniti doesn't carry the same badge premium as BMW or Audi, used prices are often much lower, making this one of the most affordable ways to get true luxury performance. The 2017 Infiniti Q60 Red Sport 400 is proof that you can have a car that's thrilling, luxurious, and reliable enough to keep for a decade, all without overspending. 2018 Lexus RX 350. This SUV has been one of Lexus's biggest success stories, and for good reason. The 2018 RX 350 combines luxury, comfort, and Toyota-level reliability in a package that can easily last a decade or longer. Power comes from a 3.5-liter V6 engine, producing 295 horsepower. This motor is legendary for its durability, often pushing past 250,000 miles with basic maintenance. It's smooth, quiet, and dependable, exactly what you want if you plan to keep a car for the long haul. Inside, the RX 350 feels like a true luxury vehicle. The cabin is spacious, the seats are plush, and the ride is whisper quiet. Lexus also uses high-quality materials that hold up over time. So, even after years of use, the interior still looks and feels premium. For older drivers or families, the RX 350 offers something special. It's easy to get in and out of, the seating position is comfortable, and the suspension is tuned for a soft, relaxing ride. It's not trying to be sporty. It's designed to make every trip stress-free. On the used market, the RX 350 remains one of the most trusted luxury SUVs you can buy. It delivers exactly what people want: reliability, comfort, and low running costs. That's why so many owners keep theirs for 10 years or more, and why the 2018 model is one of the smartest luxury cars you can own for the next decade. 2016 Lincoln MKZ Hybrid. This sedan is one of the most underrated luxury bargains on the market. The 2016 Lincoln MKZ Hybrid gives you upscale comfort, modern features, and fuel savings that few other luxury cars can match, all while being affordable to own for the long haul. Under the hood, it pairs a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine with an electric motor, delivering excellent fuel economy, often 40 miles per gallon or more. But the real surprise is how reliable this hybrid system is. Many owners report their MKZ hybrids running smoothly past 200,000 miles with only routine service, making it a great long-term investment. Inside, the MKZ feels every bit the part of a luxury sedan. You get leather seating, a quiet ride, and a modern design that still looks sharp years later. The hybrid battery is designed to last, and because Lincoln's system is closely related to Ford's proven hybrid technology, repairs are simple and cost far less than luxury hybrids from Europe. On the road, the MKZ Hybrid is calm and composed. It's not built for speed, but for comfort and efficiency. For daily commutes, city driving, and long highway trips, it's smooth, silent, and stress-free. The best part? These cars are often much cheaper on the used market than their German rivals, despite offering just as much comfort and far fewer repair headaches. That's what makes the 2016 Lincoln MKZ Hybrid one of the most affordable luxury cars you can confidently keep for the next decade. 2019 Cadillac XT5. This luxury crossover shows how Cadillac has shifted into building reliable, comfortable SUVs that are perfect for long-term ownership. The 2019 XT5 stands out as one of the best choices if you want an affordable luxury vehicle that can easily last a decade. It comes with a 3.6-liter V6 engine, producing 310 horsepower, the same proven motor used across many GM vehicles. This engine has a strong track record for durability, often crossing 200,000 miles with regular maintenance. It's powerful enough for highway driving, yet smooth and quiet in everyday use. Step inside, and the XT5 feels every bit like a premium SUV. The cabin is spacious, with high-quality materials and supportive seating. Cadillac designed it for comfort, meaning long trips are effortless. The infotainment system is straightforward, and unlike many European rivals, it avoids overcomplicated tech that often breaks down over time. Another strength of the XT5 is practicality. It has plenty of cargo space, a comfortable ride height for easy entry and exit, and advanced safety features like forward collision warning and lane keep assist. All of this makes it especially appealing for families or older drivers who want convenience and peace of mind. On the used market, the 2019 XT5 is often priced lower than comparable luxury SUVs, but offers just as much style and more reliability. That's why it's one of the smartest affordable luxury SUVs you can buy today, and one you can confidently keep for the next 10 years. 2019 Cadillac XT5. This luxury crossover shows how Cadillac has shifted into building reliable, comfortable SUVs that are perfect for long-term ownership. The 2019 XT5 stands out as one of the best choices if you want an affordable luxury vehicle that can easily last a decade. It comes with a 3.6-liter V6 engine, producing 310 horsepower, the same proven motor used across many GM vehicles. This engine has a strong track record for durability, often crossing 200,000 miles with regular maintenance. It's powerful enough for highway driving, yet smooth and quiet in everyday use. Step inside, and the XT5 feels every bit like a premium SUV. The cabin is spacious, with high-quality materials and supportive seating. Cadillac designed it for comfort, meaning long trips are effortless. The infotainment system is straightforward, and unlike many European rivals, it avoids overcomplicated tech that often breaks down over time. Another strength of the XT5 is practicality. It has plenty of cargo space, a comfortable ride height for easy entry and exit, and advanced safety features like forward collision warning and lane keep assist. All of this makes it especially appealing for families or older drivers who want convenience and peace of mind. On the used market, the 2019 XT5 is often priced lower than comparable luxury SUVs, but offers just as much style and more reliability. That's why it's one of the smartest affordable luxury SUVs you can buy today, and one you can confidently keep for the next 10 years. 2017 Chrysler 300. This full-size sedan is one of the few American luxury cars that truly delivers long-term value. The 2017 Chrysler 300 combines bold styling, roomy comfort, and proven reliability, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a luxury car that can last a decade. Under the hood, most models come with Chrysler's legendary 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 engine, producing 292 horsepower. This engine has been around for years and is known to be one of the most dependable in the industry. With regular oil changes and basic care, it's not unusual to see these engines push past 200,000 miles. For those who want even more power, there's also an available Hemi V8, but the V6 is the sweet spot for long-term ownership. Step inside, and the Chrysler 300 offers what you'd expect from a luxury sedan: wide, comfortable seating, a spacious cabin, and a smooth, quiet ride. The interior materials have held up well over time, and the Uconnect infotainment system is one of the easiest to use, even years later. Another big plus is affordability. The 300 has been around for a long time, and that means plenty of options on the used market at reasonable prices. Unlike many luxury sedans from Germany, you don't have to worry about complex electronics or sky-high repair bills. The 2017 Chrysler 300 may not have the flashy badge of a Mercedes or BMW, but what it does offer is long-lasting dependability, classic American style, and the comfort of a true full-size luxury sedan you can keep for the next 10 years. 2017 Buick Regal. This mid-sized luxury sedan is often overlooked, but the 2017 Buick Regal is one of the smartest affordable luxury cars you can buy. It blends European-inspired handling with American comfort and reliability, making it a hidden gem for anyone who wants a car that will last a decade. The Regal came with several engine options, but the 2.4-liter four-cylinder and the available 2.0-liter turbo are the most common. Both are known for solid durability when maintained properly. Paired with a smooth automatic transmission, the Regal delivers confident performance without sacrificing long-term dependability. Many owners report trouble-free driving well past 150,000 miles. Inside, the Regal feels more upscale than many people expect from Buick. Leather seats, soft-touch materials, and a clean, driver-focused design make the cabin feel comfortable and refined. It's also quiet on the road, thanks to Buick's focus on sound insulation, which gives it a true luxury car feel during long drives. On the used market, the 2017 Regal is very affordable compared to its German rivals. Yet it offers similar comfort and handling with far fewer maintenance headaches. It also came with available all-wheel drive, making it practical in all kinds of weather. The Buick Regal may not get the same attention as Lexus or BMW, but that's exactly why it's such a smart buy. For those who want luxury style, dependable performance, and an affordable price tag, the 2017 Regal delivers. And it's more than capable of serving you reliably for the next decade.